Okay, let's have a look at these in scientific notation then. It's writing a number in this form, a times the power, where a is a number between 1 and 10. It can go down, touch 1, but it can't touch 10. So here the number would be 7, wouldn't it? 7.0. Now, if you think about that, to move 7 to 7,000, you've got to go from 7 to forward once, forward twice, forward 3 times. So you've got to times that by 10 cubed to move the decimal point from 7 to 7,000. So that would be that one. That's how you do it. Here, it's going to be 6.54321. And to move the decimal point from 6 point here to here, which is where it needs to be, you go forward once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. So it's times 10 to the 5, don't you? To move the decimal point forward that many times to this number. So that's how you do scientific notation, and it's as simple as here 91, 9.1, 9.1 is here, move it to 91, you move it forward 10, don't you? 10 to the 1. Here you're going to move back, aren't you? Because it's going to be 1.234, and you want the decimal point here, so you need to move this number, you need to move it back once, twice. So let's do it again then. Back once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So back 6. So that's what you do to move the decimal point backwards. You times by 10 to move it forwards, you divide by 10 to move it backwards. 10 to the minus 6 is 1 over 10 to the 6. So you're divided by tens there, aren't you? Okay, good. So that's those. This one, here we've got 9.0 then. Now we want to move, say the decimal point, in to be here, it's here. We need to move it to get to this number. It needs to go back once, back twice, back 3 times, back 4. So times by 10 to the minus 4. This number would be 2.8 times, now we need to go from here back once, back twice, back 3 times, 10 to the minus 3. In reverse, while here, 2.6 would be here. We move it forwards twice, don't we? So forwards once, forwards twice. So there's only 1 0, and it's 260 would be the answer there. Here, move it forward 4 times. So it'd be 5.725. We're moving the decimal point forward once, twice, 3, 4, so there needs to be a 0 here. That's the number there. Okay, back once, 3.4, so 3, 4, and it's here, and we want to move it back once, the decimal point. Back once is to here, so it's 0.34 then, isn't it? Here back twice, so 793. The decimal point is here, and we move it back twice, so it's back once, back twice to here. So that would be a 0. 0.0793 then. Let's write it down tidily. 0.0793. Okay, good. Here, forward 5 times. So 1953672 forward 5 from here. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5. So that's where the decimal point goes. Okay, good. And this one back 5 times. 60241, and the decimal point's got to go from here back 5 times. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and there's the decimal point. Okay, good. So let's put in the zeros to keep it in its place. There's 1 there, there's 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. So it's 4 zeros, so it's 0.0000. So tidy it up then. 60241. Good. Good. That's fine. So that's significant scientific notation rather, isn't it?